In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become Webflow certified in just 5 minutes. If you're passionate about web design and looking to showcase your skills officially, becoming Webflow certified is a great step. It not only demonstrates your proficiency, but also enhances your credibility as a designer. Let's dive into the process. First, it's crucial to master Webflow itself. Start by exploring Webflow University, which offers a plethora of free courses designed to take you from a beginner all the way to mastering advanced features. Begin with the basics and work your way up. Familiarize yourself with the platform's interface, learn essential design principles, and gain experience in building different types of websites. The courses cover a wide range of subjects, from e-commerce and content management systems to interactions and animations. Each lesson is designed to provide you with hands-on experience, ensuring that you're not just consuming information, but also actively applying it to real-world scenarios. By immersing yourself in these educational resources, you'll build a solid foundation that will be essential for the certification process. The next step involves creating a portfolio that effectively showcases your Webflow skills. Building a variety of different projects will help you highlight your versatility and creativity. Consider designing e-commerce sites, blogs, and corporate websites. Each project in your portfolio should be a reflection of your ability to address the needs of different user groups and business objectives. As you work on these projects, pay close attention to details such as user experience, responsive design, and unique functionalities. A well-rounded portfolio not only boosts your confidence, but also serves as tangible proof of your expertise when preparing for certification and approaching potential clients or employers. Certification with Webflow involves completing a series of exams that truly test your knowledge and skills. These exams, proctored by Certiverse, require a minimum passing score of 88%, so you'll want to prepare thoroughly. To start with, carefully review the exam guides provided by Webflow. They offer valuable insights into the topics covered and the skills you'll need to demonstrate. Creating a study plan can be instrumental in addressing areas where you might need a bit more focus. Pay attention to the format and system requirements of the exams as well to avoid any technical mishaps on exam day. Once you feel prepared, you can schedule your exam. Keep in mind that you'll have a limited number of attempts, so be sure to approach the exam with the seriousness it deserves. By following these steps, mastering Webflow through dedicated courses, building a comprehensive portfolio, and adequately preparing for the certification exams, you'll be well on your way to becoming officially Webflow certified. This certification can open doors to advanced career opportunities and showcase your commitment to excellence in web design. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.